Get Halloween costume ideas. Coming up with ideas for a Halloween costume can be difficult. You can't simply wear the same costume you wore last year, nor do you want to wear the same costume that everyone else will be wearing. So, how do you come up with an idea for a Halloween costume? Here are step-by-step instructions for getting a Halloween costume that is unique, fun, and just what you want. First, consider who the costume is for. If you need a Halloween costume for your 5-year-old child, your ideas will be different than if you need a costume for yourself or your spouse. Also consider where the costume will be worn. For instance, a costume of Elvira or anything too revealing may be inappropriate for a church Halloween party. Likewise, a gruesome or scary Halloween costume may be too extreme for an elementary school Halloween parade. However, if you are wearing the costume to a party for adults you know well, you might be able to wear any costume you like without giving offense. After you've determined who will be wearing the Halloween costume and where, brainstorm things this person enjoys. Does your 5-year-old like sports? Perhaps he could dress up as his favorite ball player. Did you always want to be an astronaut? Also consider celebrities or trends that are popular this year. What was your favorite movie or book this year? Perhaps you could dress up as a character from it. Even if you plan on making your costume, looking around at costume shops may prove to be a good idea to get the creative juices flowing. Once you have a list of Halloween costume ideas, begin to think about how you will pull your Halloween costume together. If you are crafty, you could make your costume. What on the list of ideas would you be able to construct at home? If you are not making your costume, then you can investigate the offerings of the local costume shop or party store. If your Halloween costume idea is too original, it may not be available commercially, which would send you back to the list of ideas. When getting Halloween costume ideas, it is important to think of what you like and what is relatively easy for you to obtain or construct. Remember, Halloween is a fun time and getting costume ideas, ultimately, a costume should be exciting and not a chore.